Over the last decade, the global wellness market has transitioned from a niche interest into a multi-trillion-dollar industry, with Pilates and yoga at its center. Pilates and yoga studios are on an exponential trajectory. Valued at $120 billion today, the sector is forecast to hit $520.6 billion by 2035, fueled by rising health consciousness, an aging population, and corporate wellness programs. Pilates has outgrown its origins as a boutique fitness trend. It is now a highly capitalized sector within the broader wellness economy. But this rapid growth is hitting a structural limit, a critical shortage of certified human capital. While consumer demand is towering, the supply of certified instructors is lagging, creating a projected shortfall of 24,000 professionals by 2028. This gap translates to lost revenue for boutique studios, corporate wellness initiatives, and virtual platforms struggling to hire credentialed talent. While interest in fitness is high, premium employers require instructors who hold formal, accredited credentials to manage client safety and instruction. For those positioned to fill it, this professional shortage represents a significant market opening within the fitness industry. To capitalize on this shortage without significant financial risk, Mat Pilates offers the most efficient point of entry. Unlike reformer Pilates, which requires thousands of dollars in specialized machinery and a fixed studio lease, Mat Pilates can be launched with virtually no overhead. This map shows the location independence of the business. A single instructor can simultaneously serve multiple streams: boutique studios, corporate offices, public spaces, and private virtual sessions, without being tied to a single physical location. Eliminating equipment costs and real estate leases converts a standard fitness job into a scalable, high-margin professional service. The financial returns are also measurable. This bar graph compares average earnings, showing that certified instructors command a 32% wage premium over those practicing without credentials. Beyond the income, the role offers a break from the traditional office schedule, allowing instructors to build their own hours and avoid workplace burnout. This profession is also geographically mobile. Because Pilates movement standards are universal, instructors relocate without losing earning potential, avoiding complex state-by-state licensing boards. There is also a direct physical benefit. As an instructor improves the mobility and stress management of their clients, they are simultaneously engaging in the same healthy habits themselves. A Mat Pilates certification provides a combination of premium economics and professional autonomy that is rare in the modern workforce. Enthusiasm for the practice is only the first step. To access the premium tier of the market, instructors must hold an internationally recognized accredited credential. Kasa Yoga Studio's Mat Pilates Teacher Training is the specific vehicle designed to secure that credential. The April 2026 cohort is a 5 to 6 week intensive program designed to combine academic rigor with practical schedule flexibility. This timeline breaks down the hybrid structure of the course. It requires 15 to 20 hours of weekly commitment, split between self-paced online modules and live practice sessions. These live sessions are weekend intensives held in studio or via Zoom, led by expert bilingual instructor Sandra Kontla. This hybrid model allows working adults to complete their professional transition without the friction of a traditional full-time classroom schedule. The curriculum covers anatomy, proper mechanics, and cueing, while providing tangible business assets like sequence development plans and instructional cheat sheets. To ensure professional readiness, every student designs and teaches a full Mat Pilates class as their final graduation requirement. This ROI graphic compares the cost of entry against the professional output. The $1,349 early bird tuition is balanced against a 32% wage premium and a zero overhead business model. The program is also officially NASM and AFAA approved for continuing education credits, providing immediate institutional credibility to your new career. Enrollment for the April cohort is limited. To secure the early bird rate, you must register before the March 30th deadline. Completing the Kasa Yoga program provides the credentials and practical skills required to launch an independent business within this expanding global economy.